Hello internet friends, Chris Masto here. This is a weird video. Well, they're all weird videos, I guess, if I do them. But what happened here is that I took some piece of test equipment out of the storage cabinet. I don't even remember what it was, but I hadn't used it in a while and the batteries were dead and the batteries were leaking. And that led me to think, well, I got a lot of stuff I don't use very often and the batteries are all kind of dead and some of them are leaking. And so I really have to take it all out and do a big cleanup and just remove the batteries and probably, fix the ones that have gotten corroded. So, I kind of ended up with this pile of things and I figured here's an opportunity for me to make a weird YouTube video where I just go through a bunch of stuff, because I may have a problem when it comes to test equipment. If there's some obscure thing you can measure, I like to have the machine for it. So anyway, I'm just going to go through this in low detail and high speed, and maybe we'll have a little bit of entertainment. So starting in an arbitrary corner, this piece of suspicious looking gear here goes together. That's for tracing electrical wiring. This is for making sure you don't get electrocuted. This is for checking voltages. This is for checking humidity and temperature and calculating dew point, stuff like that. This one is, let me check which one it is. Yeah, this is for checking for gas leaks. This one is for measuring distances with a laser. This blows smoke up your chimney or whatever you're looking for to see where the air is coming from. Look, I can probably even generate some smoke here. Oh, I gotta turn this on. There we go. See the smoke? All right, enough of that. This checks for radiation. This tests Ethernet cables and coax. This one tells you what angle things are at. This one finds studs in the wall. It's probably the only good stud sensor as far as I'm concerned. This is a digital level. This measures how deep holes are. These all go together actually. So we got, these are all multimeters that do your standard multimeter stuff, voltage, current, resistance, etc. This is a clamp type meter, which is useful when you want to measure how much amperage is going through a cable. This is a tweezer style multimeter, so you can pinch onto a component with that and measure it. This tests components in general. You stick them into the little thing and it tells you what it is and what the values are. This tests USB cables. Let's see, this measures frequencies. This makes frequencies. This is for tracing network wires. This tests power supplies and batteries. This is an LCR meter for checking, I use it for checking capacitors and measuring their series resistance. This also tells you how level things are. This tells you how square things are, or lets you square things. This is used to check screw threads. This also is used to check screw threads. This tells you how thick wires are. This also tells you how thick wires are. These things apparently can be used to determine how long something is. This measures air pressure, differential air pressure in ducts in particular. These all tell you what's going on with your USB. This is a micrometer that tells you how thick something is. What didn't we get to? Oh, this lets you measure things by looking at them closely. Let's see. Oh, this is a Tesla meter or a Gauss meter, which stuff is turning on and off. Measures magnetic field strength. This is a force meter, which is basically a scale, but it measures how much push or pull is going on. This tells you how dry a piece of wood is. This is used for measuring high voltages or isolating voltages from your oscilloscope. This is a tachometer that measures how fast something is spinning. You put a little reflective tape on it. This tells you how hot something is from a distance. This tells you how fast air is moving. This also tells you how thick something is or how big a hole is. This tells you how fast your circulator pump is spinning, if at all. Well, it doesn't tell you how fast it's spinning, it tells you if it's spinning. This measures the pH of a solution. This lets you see how hot things are as a picture. This is supposed to detect radio frequencies. This is supposed to detect whether you're being bugged. This checks for carbon monoxide. This is a camera to look inside your ear. This is a camera to look inside your walls. This also tells you about the electricity. These are the temperature probes that go with that. This suspicious looking device here is a 40,000 volt probe that allows you to measure high voltage things without getting too close and touching them. This tests the insulation of wires by putting up to 2,500 volts through them and measuring how much the resistance breaks down. Have I gotten everything on the table? That might be. I'm just going to back up here and see if I missed something, because it'd be a shame to do this whole video and come back and be like, oh boy, I missed something. Yeah, I think that's it. Because I have, I have other, maybe I should just go over here. The electronic stuff that doesn't move. So we have also another benchtop multimeter for all those sorts of things. Here's another electronic load for measuring power supplies and batteries and things that generates voltages. This generates and measures frequencies. Another power supply there. Yeah, that's probably. Oh, and the oscilloscope for looking at waveforms. And I'll stop there. So yeah, 7-8 minutes. Thought that might go a little bit faster when you can look at things real up close with that. So yeah, the question now is, will I actually get this stuff put away? Place bets now. See you in the next one. Bye.